Good evening again. The saga of broken things in my household continues, but so far we're doing pretty good fixing all of them. So this thing is pretty cool. It's discontinued now, unfortunately, but it's a magnetic plug for your block heater, and there's a little magnet, like I guess on the receiving end, that that hooks up to that. And I've taken it apart and put it back together because it was broken. I might tear it down again, but it is working right now, so I don't know if I want to mess with it again. But it's pretty cool. There's a magnet on the receiving end on the car. On the other end of this thing is a little sensor. It's not a physical switch or anything, it's a little sensor. So I guess it picks up a magnetic field, and then inside it will click a relay and give power to these three pads. I can't remember which ones. It might be line, neutral, and ground is on the bottom there. But it's pretty cool. It seems safe. And then if you accidentally drive off with it, it'll just pull away from your car, rather than dragging the entire cord and possibly breaking part of your car. So after I tore the thing apart, I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I kind of did my circuit analysis of everything, and it all seemed okay. But then I kind of accidentally bumped this thing. It was sitting on a little pad in there. I don't know what it was even connected to. I couldn't identify it. But the marking on the front is 116 ES 893. Best I can tell, it's a capacitor, 100 microfarad and 16 volts, maybe. So I had bumped it, and it kind of came off, and I don't think it was soldered on there properly in the first place. You probably, I guess you can see those a little bit. But where's that pad? I can't find the pad. Anyway, it was sitting on a plastic pad. But I think this had come disconnected for some reason. I just don't think it was in properly. So I didn't have 100 microfarad, but I had a 220. I soldered it into the board. You had to kind of bend stuff around a little bit to get it to fit, because it was 3 times the size, and I just didn't feel like going out to get another one. But I soldered it in, and as you can see, it was blinking. It's sleeping now, but it worked. So that's good news. My block heater will live another day. It's from VoltSafe. Unfortunately, they don't manufacture this anymore, which is too bad, because it's pretty cool. I couldn't even find anything on eBay or old stock. I think they make some other stuff for like marine gear or whatever. I'll link to their website, but hopefully they'll respin this, because it's a really neat product. So I'm glad it's working again. It's cold and freezing rain outside tonight.